In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a knowledge base in Help Scout Docs. We'll walk through creating a help article from start to finish, so you can publish clear guidance for your customers with confidence. First, head to the top navigation and click Docs. This takes you into the Help Scout knowledge base area where all your collections and articles live. From here, decide which collection you want the new article to belong to. A collection is the top-level section of your Help Center. Think of it like a library shelf for a specific product or topic. Choose the collection that aligns with the audience and content you're about to create to keep your site organized and easy to browse. In the left sidebar, select the plus icon for Create, then choose Create Article. You'll land in the editor with fields for your title, URL slug, and the main content. Start with a strong, clear title that matches what people are likely to search for. Aim for simple language that states the task or problem the article solves. Next, set the URL slug. This becomes part of the link, so keep it short, descriptive, and lowercase, using hyphens between words. It's best to finalize the slug before publishing, since changing it later alters the link. Now add your content. You can write directly in the editor or paste in text you've prepared. Structure your article with an introduction, the steps or key points, and a brief wrap-up. Use headings and short paragraphs for readability, and include notes or tips where they help someone avoid mistakes. If you reference buttons or labels from your product, match the exact wording to reduce confusion. Assign the article to a category within the chosen collection. Categories help readers scan related topics and improve navigation. Pick the most relevant single category so the article appears where users expect to find it. Before making it public, click Preview to check formatting, links, and overall flow. Look for consistent headings, clean spacing, and scannable steps. If something looks off, return to the editor to adjust. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your article is now live in the selected collection and category, and you can update it any time as your product or policies evolve. As a best practice, keep an eye on recurring support questions and refine the article over time with clearer phrasing or links to related guides, so it stays accurate and useful. That's it. You've created a clear, findable Help Scout Docs article from start to finish. Happy publishing.